And guys, I'm so obsessed. Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another skincare trend. Actually, another TikTok made me buy it skincare trend. And
Korean exfoliating towel that TikTok made me buy. And I tell you, I started rubbing and instantly skin started peeling off. Oh my god, I felt like a shedding reptile. I could make a mini-me from the amount of skin that came off, but oh my god, look how smooth!
So you've seen the TikTok video, so today we are going to do a review, a demo, and a how-to on how to use the Korean mitt. So the first time I actually used this, it didn't work like what you've seen on the TikTok video, and that's because I used this just the way I use my normal shower mittens, or shower gloves. So today I'm going to show you how to use this Korean gloves so you can effectively remove your dead skin cells and have a smoother body. So you can get this at alldolledupbyc for $8 for 4 pieces, which is very cheap, so it just amounts to $2 each glove. So you can also find this on Amazon. I'll be putting all the links on the description bar below. And you guys, I'm so obsessed with this Korean gloves. I think that this is the best invention ever. I have used a lot of scrubs and other exfoliants for my body, but this so far is the best exfoliant for my body ever. This is the first time I've actually seen like dead skin like just rolling off my body, and my skin has never felt this soft. Like, it's very soft. And also I have like small bumps on my arms. I think it's called keratosis pilaris that just wouldn't go away. And I've used this twice now and it's almost gone. So this is made of polyester cotton fabric. It feels like it's like a sandpaper, but not as coarse as a sandpaper, but you could really feel the roughness and you can really hear it. And the difference between this and the other gloves or loofah that I have used in my shower, this feels very durable. And this is double-sided. This is when you really want like a hard exfoliation, and the pink one is for a milder exfoliation. I actually love using the green part more than the pink one. With the pink one, I don't see a lot of dry skin rolling off, but with the green part, it never fails. So now I'm going to show you how to use these gloves effectively. So the first step is to wet your whole body and apply papaya soap. I'm going to put a picture over here of my favorite papaya soap. And if you've never seen a papaya soap or don't know where to get it, call a Filipino friend. I'm sure all of us know where to get one. It's usually available at all Asian grocery stores, but my favorite brand is the Likas papaya one. And the reason why I love using papaya is because it has an enzyme called papain, and it actually helps in breaking down the protein on your skin, so it really helps in exfoliation. A word of caution though before using papaya soap, just always make sure that you patch test, because this soap may not be suitable for everyone, and if you have sensitive skin, this might not be good for you. So always do a patch test first, and if you have any allergic reactions such as redness or rashes, just immediately don't use this. And obviously you can't use this if you're allergic to papaya or latex, because papain is actually obtained from the latex of an unripe papaya. So if you're allergic to latex or papaya, or if you have any allergic reaction to the soap when you patch test, just skip this step. If you're not, use the papaya soap and let it lather on your body, and then leave it on for about 2 minutes. And then after 2 minutes, soak your body inside the tub full of lukewarm water. Play some calming music and stay in the tub for 5 to 10 minutes. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, you can elevate, like say your legs or your arms. I usually start with my legs. You have to elevate it from the water on the tub, and then I usually keep a small dry towel beside me, and I just remove the excess water from my legs or from my arm, because you want your skin to be damp and not wet. And then you're going to use a dry Korean glove. So make sure that this gloves is dry when you're using it. And then with this dry gloves, you start rubbing your skin with this back and forth. Immediately you would see the dead skin rolling off your body. I work on my legs and then I usually concentrate on my knees because I think that there's a lot of dead skin cells around my knees, and then I go to my upper legs, and then I go on my arms, and then I ask my husband to help me with my back. So after exfoliating, you'll actually see redness on your skin, and that's mostly because of the friction of the gloves with your skin. So I know that it's really nice to use this, but as soon as you don't see any dead skin cells rolling off your skin, just immediately stop. Like, you don't want to over exfoliate and scrub more than what you need to. So like, as soon as you don't see any more dead skin cells rolling off, you stop and you just go to the next part of your body. So after exfoliating, I just rinse myself in the shower and I make sure that I moisturize really well. I usually use jojoba oil and then a thicker lotion to really seal in the moisture. And that's it. You'll for sure have like a very smooth, very like baby skin after using these gloves. I would actually recommend using this a day before you shave your legs to avoid keratosis pilaris and to avoid strawberry legs. I would also suggest using this a day before you self-tan so you could have a very even tan. And this is also a good gloves to use when you want to remove your tan as well. And I only use this once every 3 to 4 weeks because this is very effective in exfoliating your skin. You don't want to over exfoliate. Again, I am very obsessed about this. I really love this. It's very cheap yet very effective. So highly recommend. So that's it. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and make sure to share this with your friends. And if you want me to do more videos about TikTok trends when it comes to skincare or makeup, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you on my next one.